Hello friends, welcome back to the new video friends. Today guys we are going to talk about guys find my device setting in Technophone. So in this video guys I will show you guys how can you on find my device in Technophone. Friends, you want to on find my device, so friends you can on it. And friends, now let's see how to on find my device in Technophone. In this video I will show you friends. So first of all guys, open your phone setting to on find my device in Technophone device. So first of all guys, we will on our phone setting to on find my device, then scroll it. So as you can see guys, this type of setting in your Technophone. So let's click on guys this security setting friends, and guys you can see find my device friends, tap here. Then guys you can turn on your find my device from here in your Technophone, and guys you can use it. Guys you can see find my device on your find my device app. So guys if you lost your phone, so it helps you guys, you can see this notification. And as you can see also helps your keep your data safe. So as you want to on find my device in your Technophone, so friends you can on from here. So that's it guys, thanks for watching the video guys. Now we will meet on next video. Bye bye friends, thanks for watching the video guys.